Remember the chintzy, pimped-out McMansions that were a staple of the long-running MTV series Cribs? The Toronto mansion of mega recording artist Aubrey Drake Graham is something else altogether, measuring 50,000 square feet, with amenities such as an NBA regulation-size indoor basketball court, crowned by a 21 square foot pyramidal skylight. Drake's astonishing domicile certainly qualifies as extravagant. Before watching, leave a like and subscribe to support our channel. Also, you must watch until the end to not miss out on one of the craziest amenities this Drake mansion has. Drake had previously given fans a glimpse of his mansion on social media and in videos for When to Say and Chicago Freestyle and the new track Toosie Slide. The project also includes a 300 square meter room and an ornate yellow lounge that Raffaoli described as modern art deco. The story of Drake's relationship with the mansion began in 2015 when the rapper bought the property in Toronto's exclusive Park Lane Circle for $6.7 million. Then he demolished the existing bungalow in place to build the mansion, with a net worth of $180 million in 2021 according to Forbes. In addition to providing creative guidance, Raffaoli designed several items in the house, including a long sofa covered with sheepskin and a mesmerizing bronze and marble chandelier. He and his celebrity client also purchased items from Italian company Venisem and Lumifer in New York, as well as fabrics created by Alexander McQueen and Jean-Paul Gaultier. At Drake's mansion, which the rapper calls the Embassy, several other luxury materials emerge here and there, including bronze, black granite, Makassar ebony and brown agate. The decor includes sculptures by the American artist KAWS, as well as a collection of Grammy Awards and an entire hall dedicated to the shirts of sports stars. The Embassy, the house, takes its cues from traditional Beaux Arts architecture, distilled and slightly abstracted to imbue the classic idiom with more contemporary spirit. Indeed, the scale of the room sets the tone for the home experience from the moment one enters the vast entry hall, which is clad in solid limestone with beveled inserts of Nero Marquina marble, beneath a faceted ceiling of antique mirror framed in bronze. The epic Great Room, which soars to 44 feet high, pumps up the volume even further. At one end of the space, a bespoke concert grand piano by the venerable Austrian piano maker Berterdorfer, designed in collaboration with Japanese artist Takashi Murakami, and Raffaoli, sits nestled within a portal defined by floor-to-ceiling panels of Makassar ebony, set alongside bronze screens fronting more antique beveled mirror. The mansion has just been explored by Architectural Digest magazine. In the report, the Canadian rapper tried to explain the inspiration behind this multi-million-dollar housing project, with more than 4,500 square meters. The article also includes an interview with Canadian designer Ferris Raffaoli, the creative mind behind the house, describing how he gave the Beaux Arts style a contemporary twist. Drake's favourite spot in the house is the 3,200 square foot master bedroom suite, with an additional 1,100 square feet of covered terraces. As always, God is in the details. The bed and bed base, which weighed roughly 1 ton and cost more than many people's entire homes, is from Raffaoli's new line for Harstons called Gran Vividus. The headboard, accented with antique mirror and channel tufted leather, encompasses a whiskey and champagne bar on the reverse side. The nightstands feature mother-of-pearl inlays, and the bedding incorporates an Alexander McQueen hummingbird tapestry from the rug company. The centerpiece of the master bath is a 4,000 pound tub of faceted black marble carved from a single block. Equally dramatic is Drake's 2-story closet, adorned with amethyst hardware, rock crystal, and seating upholstered in diamond tufted shearling and polished nickel studs. It is the perfect place to display the musician's extensive wardrobe, sneaker collection, and the array of precious Hermes Birkin bags that he has been amassing for years. And the hits keep coming. There is a world-class recording studio, which Drake likens to eccentric 1970s studios mixed with Annabelle's in London. The well-used kitchen that features the first stove from Raffaoli's new line for La Cornue. The awards room, which tells the story of Drake from his childhood to his years on the Canadian television show Degrassi, The Next Generation, to his reign as a Grammy-winning artist. the hall of sports jerseys displayed in museum-like vitrines, and the indoor swimming pool sheathed in black granite. The crib also features an NBA regulation-sized basketball court, which couldn't be a better fit for the Toronto Raptors global ambassador, except when it's branded with Drake's own logo, OVO. Oh, and did we mention the toilet? The rapper's home comes with a rather unique toilet that plays soothing music to you whilst you do your business. Not to mention it projects colourful lights and the lid lifts automatically, so even going to the bathroom can be quite the experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, you're sure to enjoy this, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.